Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that Australian mining stocks rose in London overnight. This is after the election of Julia Gillard as the new Prime Minister of Australia. The hope is, at least, that she will water down some of the mining tax, the super tax, which was proposed by her predecessor, since kicked out, Kevin Rudd. She has opened the door for discussions with mining executives and dropped a plan to spend $38.5 million on advertising in favour of the tax. Meanwhile, the Dominion Post is reporting that Simon Botherway, the fund manager and a member of the Securities Commission, may have a conflict of interest in the Alan Hubbard case. The Securities Commission recommended the actions taken in the last week against Mr Hubbard, but Simon Botherway's brother, Jonathan, his companies were put into receivership by South Canterbury Finance. You have to wonder, though, how much of a serious conflict of interest this is. Meanwhile, McDuer Stewart, the broker that specialises in finance companies, says that heads should roll if it's proven Alan Hubbard has done nothing wrong. Meanwhile, the Dow closed down 1.4% overnight after some more weak economic figures in the United States and fears again about the Eurozone. Greek CDS spreads blew out to 970 basis points over German debt. That is a real problem. Meanwhile, the art market is booming. When everything else is falling, art is going for record prices, and overnight there was a Christie's auction in London where art by Picasso and Monet was sold for a total of $250 million. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ.